would like to congratulate our Open Bible Community Church youngsters on their graduation this year, 2013. It's truly a great blessing when we can see our young people determined to educate themselves. I don't believe in luck, I believe in opportunity. When opportunity meet preparation, great things happen. And the only way we can succeed and experience the opportunities that life have to offer, we have to educate ourselves. So congratulations again to you all, and keep striving for success. In the end, you will experience greatness. God bless you all.
To my youth, you know you're my favorite people. I'm recognizing and acknowledge those of you who are graduating, that you'll be great inspiration and encouragement to the others that are following after you. As you follow after Jesus, they too will follow after you. Daniel had a spirit of excellence, and I know you all have that spirit of excellence. So I congratulate all the graduates. Keep up the good work. I'm listening out for the university that you're going into. And remember, wherever you find a university, as Pastor always says, I pray that you find a good Bible teaching church close by. I love you. Mwah.
Congratulations, guys. I wish you all the best in the future, and may God continue to bless you guys richly. May you follow in His footsteps continually, and may He direct your pathway. Love you guys. Congratulations again. From Sister Kate.
Just want to say to the graduates, congratulations. Wish you guys all the best. Keep up the good work. Keep on shooting for the sky. Sky is the limit. Go for what you want in life. Do your career the best of your ability. Once again.
Graduates, you have reached a milestone, but remember, this is only the beginning of more to come. Congratulations, and we wish for you the best in everything. God bless you all.
Congratulations to all our graduates at Open Bible. We pray and hope that you will be successful in life. I want you to dream big and go for it. Whatever it is that you endeavor to do, whether doctor, lawyer, criminal justice, whatever it is that you want to do, you just dream big and you go for it. And we know that you will be successful, and you will come back and say that you learned so much here at Open Bible. We love you, and we wish you much, much success.
Congratulations, everyone. You have been doing marvelous. I'm sure that the Lord will help you. Go on, never stop. Go pursue your career to the end. And remember, the Lord will bring things back to your remembrance if you trust Him. So just trust the Lord always, and He will bring things to pass. Your career, the career you want. He will bring everything the way you want it. Be good and never give up. God
Hi, this is Brother Heat to congratulate all the youths from elementary to middle school to high school to college that just graduated. Now just remember, life just begun. Just remember, it's one challenge. Prepare yourself to meet another challenge. In this life, the challenge will never stop. Just always pray, put God first, and keep moving. Don't stuck in one position. Keep always moving. Be blessed.
Hello, boys and girls, young men, young women. I just want to say congratulations on your graduation or promotion. And as you move on to the next level, I just want to encourage you to do your very best. And you know you have to seek God in everything that you do first. So again, congratulations. And you know I love you, and I'll be praying for you guys. Just an word of encouragement to always do your best and seek God first. Love you.
Congratulations to all of you graduates. I am super proud of you, and I just want to encourage you that even though this is the end of one road, I know it's the beginning of another, and the sky is the limit. Just continue to stay focused, continue to reach for the stars, and just know that with hard work and faith in God, you're able to achieve anything that you put your mind to. I love you, and I will always support you, and I know a little something something, so you can come to me.
I want to take this time out to congratulate all our youths at Open Air Community Church on a job well done in school, encouraging them that they should continue to pursue their education in the best way, thanking the mothers and fathers in general and the church body that stand around them on a job well done. You know that we are always there for you guys, and if there's anything that I can do to be of help,